Lately I've been doing some basic CAD models for the 3D printer that I'm going to be trying building this summer. I'm going to try and document it with the camera. Basically, lately I've just been doing some photo time lapses, and today I'm going to have it be a little bit different. I'm going to try and sort of talk through what I'm sort of working on at the time. My motivation with this is to sort of switch things up and also try and get a bit more of a vlog style kind of thing. Originally at the beginning of the summer I was going to start a vlog, but it became quickly apparent that I just really don't do enough interesting things to make a vlog exciting to watch. So what I'm going to do is just sort of semi-periodically upload videos showing progress of the projects that I'm building this summer. This is what I have so far. Basically, it's the Z-axis here, with this being the extruder and this being able to move back and forth. This is the motor that's going to be controlling that motion. What I don't like right now is that this is too tall, I think, and if I were to bring the rails closer together, that might help to, well, obviously this is going to help make this shorter, and the downside of doing that is that the rails being further apart gives them some stability, whereas if they were split up, they're going to be less stable, and that's going to make it more difficult. When I bring these in, it's going to reduce the stability, and so to combat that, I think I'm going to add another set of rollers or something similar coming out and around to the back, and that'll sort of help support that whole structure. We'll see how it goes. I'll probably time lapse for a little while and then go back and chat. So here's the axis bracket over on this side, the bumper we added, and as you can obviously tell, the rails are much closer together. Like I was saying, these are the bushings that go, and the smooth rod goes up through these. I need to add, or I'm sorry, the threaded rod goes up through these, the lead screw, and I need to add places for the smooth rod, whether that's going to be straight across or maybe back past it on this end. I'm not sure. I also am debating maybe using more rails for the side and sort of incorporating it into my frame. That's an interesting concept. I don't know if it would be stable enough to use just one, but it is tempting to just put one back on this side and have it be like a center post in the frame, but we'll see what ends up happening. For the time being, I got the bushings in and the brackets put on. I just did one side because the other side's going to have to be different because the motor is going to go over there. But for now, that's pretty good. Hey everyone, this is my first time doing this, so if you have any suggestions or things I can improve on, definitely feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Otherwise, if you're interested in getting sort of weekly updates on how the project's going, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you again for watching, and thanks for supporting me.